Hi there, Skip here, and today's midday miracle message is a powerful one. And I started off by saying, hey, I'm sorry, I've made a mistake. Now, in life, let me ask you this question. Are you going to make mistakes? 100%. It's how you learn. It's like when you learned how to walk, you stood up and then you fell down. Was falling down a mistake? No! It was part of the process. Now, this is why the message today is something which involves this thing you live in. It involves your physical body. This thing that is with you is only with you from the day you're born until the day you pass. So answer me this question. Does it make sense to be able to give this body what it needs? In fact, if you think it's important to give your body what it needs, just type in the comments and saying, yes, I want to honor my body. Because without that being something that comes from you, and it might sound so simple, but most of us let that thing pass. So type in the chat, let me know. If you are here right now, let me know where, that you understand that this thing is probably the most important thing in your life. It is essential to be able to feed it what it needs and to be able to also give it what it needs from a movement's perspective. Now think about this. Think about what kids do a lot. Boom, you're moving your bodies all the time. It's so essential to move the bodies in the right ways. Secondly, you got to nourish the bodies in the right ways. Now, one of the things that we do this every single morning. And in Club Supercharge, what I do is I get with everybody at 7:30 every weekday. On Sunday, we do it about 8 a.m. for about an hour. In the weekdays, it lasts about half an hour. I've put together a little routine. And in this little routine, we get to learn balance, we get to learn flexibility, we get to learn strength, we get to learn play, and when I say learn, it's almost like relearning all this stuff. You think what a lot of animals do as soon as they wake up, what do? They stretch. Now, there is so much power when it comes to yoga, and this is one of the reasons why the main reason why Club Supercharge actually got put together. And I love it. As I said that, Kerry just goes, I love Club Supercharge, because what happens in Club Supercharge is we get to lay the foundation. Whether it's at the beginning of the day, in the middle of the day, we've got people in Club Supercharge from all over the world. We've got people from Australia, we've got people from Asia, we've got people from America, people from Europe, and everybody comes in because the whole point is if you're not learning how to be supercharged on a daily basis, then there's no way that you're going to get the best out of life, because otherwise life is going to deactivate you. What happens is, and we touch base with everyone on a daily basis, and some days you're charged up with energy and you're ready to rock and roll. Other times, the energy levels are down. The focus can go to the problem. We can get sucked up into the problem and become a part of the problem. That's why it's essential to have, it's like these daily, you're going to be exposed daily to what is really true, what's important, and it's life. Life is one of the biggest mysteries to humanity at the moment, and it's because we've been disconnected from the truth. And within Club Supercharge, you imagine giving your body through yoga. So what does yoga bring in? It's not just strength and balance. It's not just flexibility. It's not just boosting up your immunity. It's a beautiful gift to feel what's true. Now, what we then do is at the end of that session, because this is something that I do on a daily basis, and that's what I wanted to mention to you in this little message today. I love it. Everyone's going, so good evening from some people, is good morning for some, good afternoon for us here right now. And so who is that? Venus. So hello, Venus. Hello, Cherry. Let me say hello to a few people. Hello, David. Hello, Danny. Hello, Renee. Hello, Belinda. It's so good to see you guys. Please do type in, let me know what country you're in right now. Just type in now. I've got Ruth who's just come in. I know she's from Singapore, but please do type in, let me know what country you're beaming into right now, because we're going to be doing these messages every single day in the week. And the idea is that you come here for like 10 minutes or so, bam, I go and give you a little golden nugget so that you can use that golden nugget to enhance the quality of your life. Cherie says, is that your new shed office? It's awesome. It's being built. So it's just been built. We had it built over Christmas. And what's going to be happening is that whole wall back there, I've just got some things in it for a temporary basis, but that whole wall is going to become a screen. And it's going to become like a visual, so that when I'm taking you guys through events, trainings, masterclasses, teachings, any of that stuff, I'm going to be able to transport you to other places based on what's going to be behind me. It's literally going to cover me. It's going to be a screen on the whole wall, and it's just going to be out of this world stuff. And because I want to be able to talk about something in a way where I can show you. And for me, I'm a people person. You know, I'm all about live events and real people, and being disconnected, having to connect to you through a screen has brought up a lot of challenges, but we are doing what we need to overcome those challenges. Belinda's going, wow, Danny's in Malaysia, Kerry's in Kent, Sharif, Bristol. So look at that. Ruth, Singapore. So all over the world in these little messages. So please do schedule in your time now that we're going to be doing these midday miracle messages at 12 o'clock every single day UK time, so that you get used to coming back here live. So movement, yoga. This is something that when I started to do this, 20 years ago, it must have been about 20 years ago, people thought I was weird doing yoga. That's how crazy life used to be, because I was a fitness dude. I was like, into the power stuff and an acrobat. And it was like, what are you doing yoga for? That's for girls, isn't it? And I was like, no. It's not. And when I started to do it, I realized that the level of balance it can bring in as well to help to create that alignment between the body, the mind, and the spirit. It's something that I cannot even imagine going a day without. And that's why it's the foundation of literally what Club Supercharge is. And what I found is that when I'm studying people all over the world in certain environments where people are living to 120 normal, but this stuff isn't commercialized, because certain narratives are being controlled on certain platforms, that when I study them, they all move their body consistently on a daily basis. Because remember, what makes the body weak is decreased workload. Remember, if you're not stretching out, guess what you are doing? You're getting stiffer, you're getting more rigid, and you're getting stuck in one's ways. And we don't want that. We want an open mind, we want an open heart, and then we open up to a greater level of life. So if any of you would like to come and join us in Club Supercharge, we've got this offer on. It's only going to last, the offer that we've got on at the moment is probably going to last about, soon. We haven't decided when, but we've got an early bird on. We're not going to keep this early bird open for that long. So if you want to come and be a part of Club Supercharge, it costs you less than £1 a day at the moment. You can cancel your subscription anytime. In fact, if you go through the page, and there's a link up there. If you go and click that link, so you'll be with us in here every single morning. Like if I go back, you'll see that yoga mat. That's the mat that I'm on, and I'll be taking you guys through actual stuff every single day. And it's impossible for you not to get benefits from this, because we check in with people at the beginning. We say, right, how do you feel now and how do you feel after? Every single person is better because of it. Every single person who's come in. There isn't one person who's gone, no, I haven't got any more energy, I haven't got any more flexibility or strength. No, there's always something that you'll get from it. Ali says, hey Skip, did yoga this AM in preference to the HIIT 20. Love yoga. Awesome. We've got people from Nice, from all over the world. This is awesome. Really, really good. So remember, we're going to be here every single day for the Midday Miracle Message in the weekdays. So please do tell your friends, tell your family members about these Midday Miracle Messages. Come back every single day. Schedule it in your diary. But do go up there, click that link, because it's going to allow you to come through and you'll be live with us every day in Club Supercharge. And there's other stuff that we're doing in there as well. Like on Wednesdays, we do another type of workout that gets your heart pounding for Wednesday. What do they call it? Workout Wednesdays. James comes in and does a Fitness Friday. Sunday, we do a Sunday Soulful session. It's just beautiful. And it's the foundation that your life needs to get built on. Without this foundation going down, it's like someone trying to build their dreams on sand or trying to build a house on sand. You know what's going to happen. Bam, it's going to come collapsing down. Whereas what we want are progressions. steady progressions. And then what happens is when you've got that solid foundation, if you need to go and take a big leap in an area of your life, you can do it without falling off the mountain. So, what nice is your life? What nice is your life? I don't understand that question. So that was from Rashan. Can you type that again? What nice is your life? So we're going to be doing lives, Midday Miracle Lives, every day, every weekday, Monday to Friday at 12 o'clock UK time. Where we go live in Club Supercharge, 7:30 in the morning UK time. And then on Wednesday, we do the workout at 5 p.m. Friday, we do the workout at 5 p.m. Sunday, if you go and click that link, it is explained on the page. So you can go and actually read all of this stuff on the page as well. And then you come through to our little community that we're building, and it's beautiful. It's just full of people that want to get the best out of life. So it's pretty amazing. And for less than £1 a day, it's a no-brainer. If you opt for the year, we gift you 2 months for free. So we gift you 60 days at the moment. That's going to be changed very, very soon. So if you want the best deal, go for that. But ask yourself this, are you worth more than £1 a day? Of course you are. It is the biggest no-brainer offer that we've given, and it's because we want you guys to evolve. Please don't let the brain think, oh God, I'm not going to do yoga. I can tell you now, when you get into this stuff, you're going to be hooked, because you're going to be hooked to expanding. You're going to be hooked to growing. And that's the metaphor for life, is that if every day you're not growing and expanding, I can tell you this, a part of you will feel like it's dying. So it doesn't matter what goes on in this crazy world out here. If we start to do the work on a daily basis and we start to create the right habits, eventually you'll start to do the right thing without even thinking about it. So that is my wish for you. So go up there, click that link. If you have got any benefit from understanding the power of yoga, this stuff has been around for thousands of years. But yet for most people, it's not even part of their daily life anymore. And it's because we've forgotten about stuff. And there are so many things that you'll gain by coming and spending that 30 to 40 minutes with us live every single day in the weekdays. It will be a game changer for you. And we're bringing in other fun stuff as well, like we brought this morning. Like we're going to be doing rebounder workouts with everyone as well, to make sure that this thing that you live in isn't going to break down because of life going crazy. We want to make sure that no matter how crazy life is going on out there, internally, you've got health, energy, and immunity working at super high levels. Otherwise, what will happen is the fear of life, or the illusions that could take you into being a victim, can bring you down and down and down. And all of a sudden, you start living down here. It's like living in the sewers. You don't want to be in these low frequencies. You want to be up here in these higher states of consciousness. And for that, we need to do the work. Kerry says, it's such amazing value for money. I can't imagine not being part of Club Supercharge. Well, there we go, guys. It is, as I say, for £1 a day. Where can you go and get charged up for £1 a day? Doesn't exist anywhere. So if you believe that you're worth £1 a day and you want to evolve and become more and start to follow the strategies that I use for myself and all my top clients, whether they're top CEOs, top celebrities, top athletes, and people just like you who come to our live events, you'll know a good deal when one passes you by. So grab that deal, go up there, click that link, get yourself registered for Club Supercharge, and we can see you potentially tomorrow if you get yourself registered. So have an amazing day. Live strong, live healthy, live long. Make sure you live now with the nutrients, oxygen, and water. For now, I'm out of here.